Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll understand class 6 chapter on knowing our numbers, exercise 1.2, question number 6. So in this, a machine on average manufactures 2825 screws a day. So how many screws it manufactures? 2825 screws a day. In one day it manufactures. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So how many screws it manufactures in the month of January we need to find. To find this, what we have to do? So simple question. So machine manufactures screws in a day. 2825, right? So how many screws did it produce in the month of January we have to find. We know that the total number of days, how many are there? The total number of days in the month of January, the total number of days in the month of, the total number of days in January, total 31 days in January month. So what we have to find, how many screws total it manufactures in the month of January we have to find. For this, what we have to do? We have to multiply. Therefore 2825 into 31. So we need to do, we'll get the answer. 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 8 is 8, 1 2 is 2. So then this is 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 8 is 24, 3 8 is 24, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 5 7 15 7. So total 87,575 screws manufactured in the month of January. Thank you.